Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have some more bags from the company WiskF. They really like me, y'all, so they keep sending me bags. So they sent me an email and said, you know, would you like to pick some more bags? What would you like? And I said, you know what? Because they keep introducing new bags. So I said, why don't you just send me some bags that you want me to show? And in the process of going back and forth and, you know, they're showing me things and I'm like, oh yeah, I like that. And they really like that I like their bags, which is so nice because they're very, very nice bags. I do like them. In going back and forth, it turned out one of the bags that they wanted me to show y'all because people like it so much got sold out. So we're working back and forth, figuring out what else to do. So I have 4 bags to show you, and let's start with the first one here. This is the traditional. I want to show you, well, they wanted me to show you a traditional bag because this is how they started. This is how they started, was with this linen tote. And it is, cotton. It is like a burlappy, well, it's softer than burlap, but it's very strong like that. They call it linen. So this is about 15 inches here, and it's about 15 inches across. And look how cute this pattern is. It has these fabulous handles with, I think, if I remember correctly, the drop is 12 inches, so it can go on your shoulder nicely. It's very well stitched, but let me show you the pattern really cute. It is a camper, and it says love. Isn't that too cute? It has animal print in the L and in the V. It's just, the colors are super cute, and the other side is the same. And then just so you can see the handles, now sometimes their handles are this beigey color, and sometimes they're black. It's very, very well made. Look how nicely it's stitched. I believe when they first started their bag, when they first started having influencers show their bags, you could put 50, they told us that you could hold 50 pounds in here. And you could put like, a couple bowling balls in here. I don't know how much bowling balls weigh, but you could put a lot in here and it would not tear because it's made so well. The stitching is just really, really nice. And these bags are $5.99. And I'll tell you something also, when you go to their website, which I'll have the website below and I'll have the links for all these bags also, they always have a promotion going on, always. And you can always use my promotional code, always. They said it's good forever. It's MARY05OFF. And I'll have that in the description as well, if not also in the title. And isn't that just adorable though? Y'all, I have had many, many bags from them, these beautiful linen bags. I have gifted many of them out, and I have them in my trunk. I use them when I go to Aldi and different stores. And they just come in handy, and they're so, so cute. So this is just adorable. Okay, next up, let me show you what else they've got. They always are adding new styles and new things. And so they sent me this bag. This is so pretty. Let me pop it out a little bit. This is like a straw bag. Now it's, it's been in, it came in a mailing envelope. So it's a little smashed up a little bit, but this is, let me show, isn't that adorable for summer? I mean, you can use that as your little purse for the day. You can use that for anything. I mean, it's just a nice big, place to put stuff. No pockets or anything. It's woven together, look how cute it's woven together. It is like a straw bag, but it's not straw. This is like a plastic material, so it won't get ruined. If you were to spill something on this, you could rinse this off because there's little bitty holes in it because of the, the way that it's woven. You could rinse this off and get it nice and clean. And then, once you start using it, it will have a flat bottom to it, okay? Isn't that gorgeous? And they had, this came in many colors. I saw about 8 right now. Different times I see different multicolored patterns going on. This is $13.99. So again, you can use this, a child can use this for their toys. You could put this, put snacks in here for traveling. Well, if it's just you. if your family's traveling, you might need this bag for traveling. But for vacation, it's so cute to take to the beach with a couple of little things in it, to just go shopping, you know, in summer. It's just adorable. And I love these bright, bright summer colors. Spring, summer, you can use that. Very, very cute. Did I tell you it's $13.99 for this one? And again, these are things they wanted you to see because this is the basic bag that they have, and they've added all these new bags. So next up, I just love this bag. This bag is called a project bag. And this is just like a quilt. It feels just like your grandma's quilt that she made for you. That's what it feels like. And this came in about 8 different patterns, and they chose this for me. So it really, you know, it looks like a cosmetic bag, but it is very soft. So it says on the front, today's mood, feel the warmth in our daily life and the mood, right there. But isn't that pretty, the pattern? And it's just soft quilts. It has this nice handle. It has a double zipper. Let me show you how that is. You know, it has the double zipper, so you can open it this way and open it this way, or just use one zipper, whichever way you want to do it. And it really is just like a cosmetic bag on the inside, except that it's very soft. It doesn't have any structure to it, but if you put your lotions and potions in here and things like, you know, your hairbrush and things like that, it will, you know, it'll stand up. But you can also use this for all of your projects. You know, just think about this. Your child can carry their, what are they called? Oh my goodness. I was going to say Ziplocs, but that's you all know what I'm talking about. The little things that click together, the little blocks that click together. This can hold all that kind of stuff. It is nice and big and roomy. And then in the top, there is a zipper pocket here where you can put something private. Not private because there's mesh, but I mean something that you want separated from the rest. So toys, dolls, doll clothes, doll accessories, and I'll never think of what they're called right now. Lincoln logs can go in here, anything like that. Your projects, your diamond painting projects, you know, accoutrements, whatever. I don't know because I don't do diamond paintings, but I know that you have, don't you have like a little thing that you use for like to hold the little diamonds and the little containers, if you have containers, to hold those in here, your diamond painting, that type of thing. Your crocheting, your knitting, your sewing, any kind of crafting, this will hold it. It's so cute. I love it. And it's soft. So when you're done with it, if you're not using it all the time, if you use this for travel for your cosmetics, then when you're done, you just put it like this, throw it in your luggage so it's there for the next time. And did I tell you the price of that? $8.99. $8.99, y'all, and there were many different prints. And then lastly, what they sent me is just adorable. Absolutely, I just can't stop touching it. Let me show it to you real quick. Isn't that too cute? It says on it, sweet. This guy right here is like a marshmallow. So you can press, can you see that? It's like memory foam. Press it and push on it is just the cutest thing. There's a pretty little flower here. This is also called a project bag. They have a lot of different bags that can hold all kinds of things for your projects. So this Velcros, this is $6.99. This came in 6, right now it's in 6 different styles. Again, they change it up from time to time. It has this nice handle, and when you open it, in the front there is a pocket, and then on the inside it opens in 2 places with zippers. Let me zip it up. I don't know if you saw Cammy. Did she go past? She just sort of flew by. Let me show you when it's closed so you can see how that is. Okay, see there's 2 separate zipped sections. So you've got this, again, that pocket in the front, and then you have a zipper pocket here for your crayons, your colored markers, anything like that. And then you have another spot here. So maybe you are someone that colors. So you have your markers here, your crayons here, or different types of things like that. Again, your pieces that you might need for that, your sharpener, things like that, that you might have, your eraser, that kind of thing. And then it all zips up, and then it all Velcros back together. So again, something that a child would just adore, just adore. And I love this color. It's so cute. And then you might just sit and watch TV and press on this for hours. So it's one of those fidget kind of things that'll help you. Great thing for a child to carry that needs a fidget type of item. Can carry their little things that are important to them and then have this to push on when they need a little comfort. So I love this bag. It's adorable. $6.99. So with the, usually when I do the WiskF videos, I do a giveaway. So I have a couple other bigger giveaways going on right now. So this giveaway is going to be this bag, okay? This adorable camp bag. So if you're interested in winning this bag, go ahead and say camper, C-A-M-P-E-R, and I'll put you in to win for this bag, okay? And then this is just, since I have several other larger giveaways going on right now, this is easy to put together and put into a small mailer, and it won't cost me as much to mail as, if I did a bigger giveaway. So I hope you all understand that, because that's what I have to do at this point. But go see, I've got a lot of different things going on right now. Go look for those. So let me show you again, their basic bag that they have just a plethora of prints. Cats, sloths, owls, anything that you like. There's Christian sayings, there's garden, there's flowers, there's anything that you have a hobby in, you can probably find a print about. There's comics and the Peanuts, Christmas bags, fall related bags, pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns, all that kind of stuff. What a great bag to go trick-or-treating with. Just any kind of print you're interested in, you can probably find something on it that you'll like. Smudges sitting on our bags now. Then you've got this adorable bag that is a, like I said, it's like straw, but it's not. It's stronger than straw. It'll last longer than straw. It won't break. It is plastic, woven, and that's a lot of work, all that weaving involved. That's a lot of work, and it's just adorable. I just can see me carrying this to lunch in the summertime with a few little things in there, my phone, my keys, maybe a blush and a hairbrush or something, and this smudges right on top. Anything that's fabric he wants, this beautiful craft bag, just super cute bag. This also would mail nicely too, come to think of it. And then also this cute little bag. Okay, let's change the giveaway. Still say camper, okay? But I'll give you the choice of which bag. Now this bag is a little bit heavier, so we're not gonna put this in. This will go probably in a future giveaway if I don't end up loving it and using it myself, because I do like it. It's also a great bag to put a gift in. If you've got a baby shower to go to, a wedding shower to go to, a birthday, anything like that in the summer, this would be really cute to hold your gift. So I think I can get this into my smaller mailers. This one's, I could probably crush it a little bit. So you can pick this bag. Whoever wins, we'll see who wins. Or this bag, okay? We'll talk about it when I pick the winner, okay? Thank you all so much for stopping by. Please go see WiskF. And again, look for their promotions. They have a June promotion going on. I'm not sure if you'll really see this before July. I'm hoping you will. You probably will. But then there's only a couple days left. So with July, they'll probably do another promotion, or they'll extend the promotion that they have. They usually always have, like if you buy 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 bags, you get a discount of some sort or a free bag or something to that effect, okay? And then don't forget, when you do that, also use my code, because you'll save an extra 5%. MARY05OFF, MARY05OFF, and you'll get extra 5% off. And thanks for stopping by. I just love the WiskF bags. They're so much fun, and they just really like me, and we have a great relationship, and they're really nice to their customers from what y'all have told me. they're just really nice to their customers. So, here we go with Miss Trouble. Okay, y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Smudge is right here. Yeah, she likes to bite him on the head, and he lets her do it. He's smelling her. Hey, there again. They don't love each other, y'all, but I'm hoping. I'm still praying about it. See, he's gonna get tired of it and leave. Okay, y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.